guys for today's video. Taking ni Pierre. Punta akong PICC. See you later. Here na. Ayan na mga student. Ayan na sila. Wow, nice. Napaka-garden naman pala here. Dito pala ako sa main entrance. So, hanapin na natin si Boss Pierre. This is my second time here, guys. Kasi dito ako nag-graduate. So, excited na naman si Papsi dahil pupunta naman siya sa PICC. Taking kasi ni Pierre. Tapos, last year si Toto, electrical engineer, hindi nakapag-taking kasi pandemic. So, ngayon, si Pierre na. Okay, hanapin ko muna sila, guys.
Taking of new registered electrical engineers and registered master electrician and professional electrical engineers. First batch po. Pwede na po pumasok first batch. Second batch, standby lang po muna tayo second batch. And no ticket, no entry po tayo. Bago papasok, pakisuliran sa mga ticket, pakilabas lang po muna po. Lahat ng bag, ilaan po natin sa x-ray.
Dito na kami nakapila. The master electrician is here. Hi, welcome back to me. Okay, let's make pila. Bisa mo, bisa mo. Tayo dito. Dito. Hi.
Shelter, tingnan ninyo. Puro bakal na, simento. Can you produce cement? At yung mga bakal na yan, kung walang kuryente, clothing. Kakaunti na lang po ang gumagawa ng barong na mano-mano. Noon, pag nagtahit ka ng baro, kumakanta ka pa. Bakit kumakanta? Kasi yung brand ng makina, Singer, sewing machine. Ngayon wala na, nakasaksak na lang. Now, for me, ang basic needs na ngayon ay electricity, food, shelter, and clothing. Bakit? Yung dinagdag lang ay ginawa kong number 1? Because of what I have explained. You cannot now produce food without electricity, shelter without electricity, as well as clothing without electricity. That's how important electrical engineers' role today. Alam ninyo, isa nga siguro sa tanong.
Top performing schools in the August 2024 registered Master Electrician Licensure Examination. Technological Institute of the Philippines, Manila, for having ranked first in the top performing schools in the August 2024 registered Master Electrician Licensure Examination with a passing percentage of 90.91%. That is 20 passed out of the 22 examinees. Receiving the award is Engineer Rowell S. Pacuna, Chairman of the EE program.